what about it? Tell me, girl, what about it? First of the month and I might blow on my allowance. We could get lost in the mountains, milky clouds that we drowning. They wanna spend a night, I wanna spend 1 and 1,000. And I know you, yeah, I thought I know you. Quote unquote so conscious cause you eating on that tofu. Done it nothing to me, but I'm feeling like While I just wanna conversate, you probably don't know my name, but make it hard for me to concentrate. Don't worry about locations, be patient, I got a place. I'm just trying to do some shit that I ain't done before. But you don't see me standing like the curtains closed. I'm trying to get a single word out, but it's difficult. I'm getting closer to me reaching the unreachable. Picture you with me, but it's fantasy. I'm searching inside when I open my eyes, you're not in reach. Oh well, fantasy. Going through the hallway, she ain't looking at me. Only her pics looking at me when scrolling through her IG. I like just about every other pics and I'm her biggest fan, but I can't hold it in real life. I need to be the bigger man. I wish that I was Jigga Man and hand me 99 problems. There's a lot, but at least you wouldn't be one. I might need a medicine that gonna make me feel calmer, so I can focus on me getting some things done. She gon' want me later when I get my paper and when I am famous. But what about now? Now I can't have you, only look at you. You too much value when I ain't way down. I swear. KVBA, 2K19, TML, we on bigger things. Again, we on bigger things, man. We still steady making music, and them clowns clowning, and musicians make music, and that's the difference. You know what it is, you know who to follow, TML, YouTube, SoundCloud, everything and all that, KVBA, Kuba Sound.
Time to really say, what the fuck you think, yeah, time to really say, run to the bank, yeah, time to really say, what the fuck you think, yeah, time to really say, tell me what you think, yeah, run into the bank, yeah, run into the bank, yeah, run into the bank, yeah, diamonds in the shining, diamonds in the shining, yeah, I just pulled up in the forest, I don't put your bitch with your now I got some bands and they wanna be around. Got it to myself, though I never made a sound. If you fucking talking, I might leave you in the ground. See me coming up, then you all give a fuck. Used to pull me down, boy, why you switching up? All that shit and drive, so you really ride, yeah. Diamonds got me frozen. Diamonds got me frozen. Time to really say, what the fuck you think, yeah, time to really say, run to the bank, yeah, time to really say, what the fuck you think, yeah, time to really say, tell me what you think, yeah, run into the bank, yeah, run into the bank, yeah, run into the bank, yeah. Only 17, but I'm steady counting checks. Water all up on me, so you know I stay flex. Diamonds, they real and they same. I just for that bitch, ran through her like a tank. Love count money, I could live at the bank. Swear I could live at the bank. Swear I could live at the bank. Time to really say, what the fuck you think, yeah, time to really say, run to the bank, yeah.
Lonely nights I stay awake, even though I stand on 2 feet, it still feels like an earthquake. Maybe one day I want a relationship, but right now it's not a good time. I swear you'll leave with your heartbreak. Yeah, you look at my status now. I do not fuck around. Smoking the sweetest loud. The beat, but I do not hear a sound. I guess life goes, and if it goes slow, but if we're meant to be, just let it run, just like the water flows. Forgive me, cause I'm picking my poison now. As bad as it may sound, I might get hurt, but I'm already broken down. And I cannot stick around. This weather became so violent, I used to be your sun, but now I'm your broken cloud. Where's your smile, never found, where they ever come around. Hate to see you cry, cause I'm running around. I told you to come with me, you didn't see the vision, now your boy busy. You're lost in regret, so what you were saying, now this is a price you must be paying. It's got you in silence, silence. Why are you crying? I get it though, I would too if I was you. On
this beautiful violence, it's got you in silence, silence. Why are you crying? If I see you whining.
Inside, I wish you could stay, but I be lying to myself. You wanna hear some real shit? I only want the bill shit. I'm on top of the world, and nobody can steal it. This fussing and fighting got me looking deep in your eyes. Why you acting so surprised? I'm about to catch this bus now. I'm about to kill it tonight. Yeah. I'm onto a better plan. Apart from my difference, I'm aiming to grow my own dividends.
I'm still in and I'm a boy. Got dreams of owning the voice. Yeah,
but I just got a vision of me being the best that nobody ever saw me. Plans on traveling long in the distance. Hit London, Tokyo with precisions. Then I'll hit Italy up cause I heard they have those A-listers. And no, I'm not finished. No, this shit is not for the weak-hearted. I guess this is why we departed. And now we are blood and tears.
blood and tears.
Can't face your fears. Back where we started. Yeah.
It's got you in silence, silence. Why are you crying?